Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Minecraft game version in the Minecraft launcher. Changing your game version lets you play older releases, snapshots, or latest version of Minecraft. First, open the Minecraft launcher. Next, click the Installations tab at the top. Then, click the New Installation. Give your installation a name so you can easily recognize it later. Next, click the version drop-down menu. Here you'll see a list of available Minecraft versions, including the latest releases, snapshots, and older versions. Select the version you want to use. For example, if you're installing mods that only work with Minecraft 1.21.8, make sure you select Release 1.21.8 from the list. Once you're ready, click Install. Finally, return to the Play tab, select your new installation from the version selector, and click Play. And that's it. Thanks for watching.